Hello everybody and welcome to this new video on RawTherapee, and in this video we are going to see how to edit multiple images at the same time. So it means how we can work with the batch edit mode, which allows you to edit multiple images at the same times. You can subscribe to this YouTube channel if you like the content. First link on the description, the complete course RawTherapee is available, so if you want to learn this software starting from scratch with a course structure, it will be on the first link on the description. You will see the models, session of the course, what you will be able to learn. Second link on the description, it is the website in link with this YouTube channel. You can discover software in these YouTube channels, have basics of this software, and second link on the description, it is like an online school. So concretely, you can pick a course and learn any graphic software. So here we are in the file browser mode, and you can find on the right the batch edit mode. Concretely, you can select, if you double click on the image, you have the possibility on this image to go in the edit mode and to make different adjustments. For example, I can put some shadows and highlights on this image, just like this. I have the possibility maybe to work with the exposure, where I can improve the contrast, the lightness as well, and I can make some adjustment to this image, or again the saturation to reinforce this image. Let's just make something very simple here. So I can adjust this image with the different options. I can complete with, for example, a tone mapping or anything like this. When I do this type of work, I apply this only on one image. If I just come back in the file browser mode and I go here, as you can see the image with the adjustment. And with this, as you can see, when you go in the batch edit mode here, you can find this different adjustment appearing here as well. So it means I can also adjust from this panel. If I want to adjust the tone mapping mode, I can do from this panel as well. So now something that you can do, it is this type of work on multiple images depending on the selection. What does it mean? It means that I can select different images here. Maybe I can select this one, and I can press Ctrl to select multiple images. I will select this one, I will select maybe this one, and I will select maybe this one. So I selected 4 images. And I can do the same type of thing, but directly from these panels to apply this adjustment on multiple images at the same time if you select multiple images. For example, I selected 4 images, and I can use, for example, the shadows. I will decrease the highlights, increase the shadows here, and I will work with the exposure. Let's increase a little bit the exposure here. I will just go on this area, put some saturation value, little bit contrast, and as you can see, I can make adjustment directly from these panels. I can use something like the lab adjustment, and we can also put some contrast here or chromaticity. Let's just make something simple just to show you. So you can see the difference on these 4 images at the same time. And after to do this type of work, as you can see with the batch edit mode, you can make adjustment with any categories of adjustment that you have here or effect adjustment, and you can apply this adjustment on multiple images at the same time. If I select this one now, double click, and I go here, as you can see, I have my shadow highlights and I have my lab adjustment. And now I can edit only these images inside the edit mode. So inside the edit mode, if for example I want to adjust the contrast, I can adjust the contrast in the edit mode only for these images. But I created, for example, a base thanks to the batch edit mode, just like that. This is something important to know. Here it is same, I edited this image, so I have, for example, shadows, highlights, the lab adjustment, exposure adjustment, and if I double click here, I can enter in the edit mode, and I have this different adjustment appearing here. And it is same, if I want to adjust the adjustment on this area, I can do using this different value. So what is the interest of the batch edit mode? Concretely, you can, for example, create a base on multiple images that require the same type of adjustment, and you can do this process. So for example, if on multiple images, I'm going to select all the images first, and I will go in the in the processing profile operation, and I will clear all the adjustment. So if, for example, I want to adjust the shadows at lights on multiple images, like for example this one, for example, I need to adjust the at lights and the shadows here. The exposure is not pretty good, but I can do this also on this image, for example. So I can create a base on multiple images at the same time. So I can select this image, control this one, control maybe this one, and control I can apply also maybe on can try another one, maybe let's try this one. So I have for these 4 images, I will go shadows at lights, and I will increase the at lights to darken this this at lights, and I will increase the shadows to brighten the shadows. And now if I click on this image, we'll have some corrections. We can see that before, after. And if I select, for example, this image, we can see that before, after. If I select also this image, we can see that before, after. And if I select this one, we can see that before, after. So as you can see, it was interesting to do the same type of adjustment on these 4 images, even after I can adjust on each images. So this is one of the interests of the batch edit. Another interest, you can, for example, I can select these images, and you have also the possibility to copy and paste. So it means if I want to increase the saturation on this image, I can go on the exposure, increase the saturation, and I can go on the lab adjustment, activate, and increase the chromaticity, for example. And if I come back in the file browser, I can also go right click here. And when I go right click in the processing profile operation, I can copy and I can paste on different images. For example, I want to paste here, maybe I want to paste here, maybe I want to paste on this one, and maybe on this one. So I can go right click, processing file operation, and you can paste, or you can also use paste with only a specific thing. So if I just use paste, just like that, I can paste my adjustment on this one, this one, this one, and this one also. So you have really multiple way to use the copy and paste adjustment, or to use the batch edit adjustment, but the aim is every time to apply, for example, different adjustment on multiple images at the same time. So we are going to stop here for this video. If you like, subscribe to this YouTube channel. First link on the description, the complete course RawTherapee is available. If you want to learn this software starting from scratch with a pure structure, it will be on the first link on the description. You will see the models, session of the course, what you will be able to learn. Second link on the description, this is a website. In link with this YouTube channel, you can discover software in these YouTube channels, have basics of this software. And secondly, on the description, it is like an online school. So concretely, you can pick a course and learn any graphic software. For the next video on this channel, see you. Ciao, ciao.